Okay, it's getting about that time of year again when we start to garden. A few gardening tips for you. First of all, if your garden looks like that, and your neighbor's looks like this, and you want to make it more like that, a couple things you can keep in mind how to quickly garden your space. Okay? So there's a lot of plants you want to keep, and a lot of plants you want to reuse. Okay, the Lupus lazulus is a type of plant you want to keep inside the garden. Don't pick these out, keep them in. White rocks are good for soil. They have a lot of nitrogen in them. You want to bury those inside. Just make sure, and they actually grow into more rocks. All right. When you dig, I like to use a 3/5 spade. It's a 304 stainless steel blade here. And it's called a 3/4 because you put about 3/4 of an inch down, lift up, and this is called rototiller. It's a method that you can use for a variety of soils. 3/4 of an inch down, lift up, and turn. Okay. Always give your dirt a good pat because that aerates it. So just remember that. Lupus lazulus, berry white rocks, and 3/4 of an inch deep.